Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a series on all of my MU models that I already had completed before I started filming any of them. So I'm going to go through each one. I'm going to give you a 360 view, just talk about each one, how the build was, and just show you what each of the models look like completed, just so you can see how great they look with all the colors and the size and everything, just so you can see if it's something that, maybe something you want to get into or anything. So the videos aren't too long. I just wanted to do this because, the majority that I already have, I never filmed or anything, but I still wanted to just get this out to you just so you can see the final product of all these awesome Transformer MU metal models. And as always, if you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll get more content out to you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Continuing our series of episodes for my completed MU Meta Model Transformers. And this one needs no introduction. But for those who don't know, this is Shockwave. And just the color alone should tell you who he is. And the color is definitely what makes this one stand out among the rest of them. And it is definitely one of the taller models in the set as well. But again, attention to detail and the color and just, everything about him, it's just freaking, it just makes him stand out so much. So his hand, this was an option to put this on or put a hand on, like firing a gun or something. I'm like, no, I ain't doing that. So got to use this one. And you can see the cord on the back. That definitely was the hardest thing I think I've ever had to try to do, putting a model together, because it was just something I'd never done before. And I couldn't find anything on any videos or anything that people had done to kind of show me, kind of the best way to do it. And this one, after doing this one, it's kind of what got me wanting to do my videos, to show the completed steps for all the models that I do. Just so if somebody, wants to find out how a certain thing is done on a model that they have, then they could see it. And I wish I would have filmed it for this one, but it was just after I got this one done, and that's when I kind of got the idea for it. But the cord is, there's a magnet on each end that you can actually take it out, everything. But that one was hard. But luckily I got it to work, and it looks pretty awesome. But the color on this just makes it stand out so much. Just to see the details and everything on it, and it just makes it stand out. And of course, with the with his head and the front piece, it also makes it stand out and everything. So, but you definitely can see all the details a little better. Get a little closer. See his chest piece, and got the head going on down. See the inside of the leg. You can see all the details that it has there. And then on the back, as we go up, you can see this weapon, and you can see that cord. I mean, it's got round pieces, but it's attached to a single piece that you had to wrap it around itself, which again was difficult to try to figure out, but I got it to work. So you see like a little battery pack on the back, everything. See little vents. I mean, this one was just, I just like the different colors that these models have, just to make them stand out and authentic to the cartoon counterparts, to make them look as good as they do. So, but I definitely enjoyed this one. Like I said, he's one of the characters that he's definitely stands out among some of the other ones. So, but there you go. So Shockwave. So I definitely enjoyed that one. But so that's all for this episode. So appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next episode.